Beneath the tropical sun, vast plantations stretch for miles, cultivating one of the world's most popular tropical fruits.
It takes nearly 2 years of careful growth for a single plant to reach full maturity.
The fruit develops from a cluster of berries that fuse together around a central core.
Specialists monitor sugar content and acidity levels daily to determine the precise moment for harvest.
Uniformity is essential, ensuring every fruit meets the strict size requirements for processing machinery.
As chlorophyll fades, the fruit develops its signature golden hue and sweet aromatic profile.
Harvesters work with speed and precision, severing the fruit without damaging the delicate base. Automated booms extend over the rows, reducing physical strain and accelerating the collection process. The conveyor system gently handles the fruit to prevent bruising during the transfer to bins.
Within minutes, tons of fresh fruit are consolidated into large transport bins, ready for transit.
Time is critical. The harvested fruit must reach the processing facility within hours of cutting.
Upon arrival, the cargo enters a high-efficiency receiving bay, designed for rapid unloading.
Heavy-duty forklifts transfer the raw material to the initial staging area for immediate inspection.
The fruits are submerged in water flumes, which cushion their fall and begin the cleaning process.
Water transport is gentle and efficient, moving the heavy fruit without mechanical friction.
High-pressure jets strip away field debris, soil, and insects from the textured skin.
Before peeling, the leafy crowns are mechanically removed and diverted for composting or animal feed.
Workers perform a visual check, culling any fruit that doesn't meet the strict size standards.
Automatic sizers categorize the fruit by diameter, routing them to the appropriately sized peeling machines. Clean and sorted, the pineapples are now ready for the most critical stage, mechanical processing.
The Ginaca machine is an engineering marvel, capable of processing nearly 100 pineapples per minute.
In a single motion, it removes the shell, punches out the core, and trims the ends.
What emerges is a perfect cylinder of fruit, while the skins and cores are saved for juice.
Nothing is wasted. The skins travel to a secondary line to extract every drop of remaining juice.
A battery of these machines ensures a continuous, high-volume flow of processed fruit cylinders. Trimmers inspect each cylinder, manually removing any bits of shell the machine might have missed.
Human dexterity is still required to ensure the fruit is perfectly clean before slicing.
The cylinders are then pushed through a slicing array, creating the iconic ring shape.
Vibrating belts separate the perfect rings from broken pieces, which are diverted for chunks or crushed pineapple.
Premium rings continue on the main line, while irregular pieces are repurposed for different product varieties.
The diversion line chops irregular slices into uniform chunks, tidbits, or crushed fruit. Meanwhile, the cores and skins undergo heavy pressing to extract raw juice for canning syrup.
Centrifuges clarify the extracted liquid, removing solids to create a smooth syrup or juice base.
The juice is often sweetened and heated, preparing it to be the packing medium for the fruit.
Empty cans are sterilized with high-temperature steam, just moments before being filled.
Automated fillers deposit the precise weight of fruit into each can at incredible speeds.
Hot syrup is injected to fill the air gaps, preserving the fruit and enhancing flavor.
The cans pass through a steam exhaust tunnel to remove air, ensuring a vacuum seal.
Robotic sentinels monitor the line, correcting alignment errors without slowing down production.
The seamer crimps the lid onto the can body, creating a hermetic seal that prevents spoilage.
Sealed cans enter a massive cooker to sterilize the contents, followed by a rapid cooling cycle.
Rapid cooling prevents the fruit from becoming mushy, locking in the desired texture.
Gravity tracks transport the cooled cans efficiently towards the labeling and packaging department. Air knives blast away residual moisture, ensuring the metal surface is dry for labeling.
In the lab, samples are randomly pulled to verify color, texture, and syrup viscosity.
Scientists measure the brix level to ensure the sugar content meets precise specifications.
Physical measurements confirm that the slicing machinery remains perfectly calibrated.
Samples are incubated to guarantee the sterilization process was effective and the seal is secure.
High-speed labelers apply the final branding, processing hundreds of cans every minute.
Laser coders etch tracking data, allowing every can to be traced back to its production time.
Automated packers group the cans into cases, readying them for global distribution. Shipping labels are applied, directing the inventory to warehouses around the world. Robotic palletizers stack the heavy cases with geometric precision, preparing stable loads for transport.
The finished pallets are stored in massive logistics centers, awaiting shipment orders.
From here, containers are loaded onto trucks and ships, destined for supermarkets everywhere.
Bringing the tropical taste of sunshine to tables thousands of miles from the source.